Hello, my name is Jeff Morgan and welcome to FMVI. This topic of this video is location tracking and user tracking. If you received the link for this, please don't redistribute. It's only for internal use, this particular video. Right, so I'm going to log into our development instance and pull up some of the live tracking of users and inspections. So I'm just going to type in a very specific address, which is masked. We're doing that on purpose, and click on that, and that's myself. It's showing me where I am. If I zoom out of this, which I'm going to do, let the map catch up, just go across the pond because I'm in Florida, and we've got some users in the UK, which will be Gareth and probably Simon over down here. Right, zoom out further and go and pull up some of the mirrored information that's come across from a project, and there it is there. And we'll assume that we're looking for a tag or we're looking for a user. We can put in a particular criteria here, and I'm going to put in a search for a particular tag or an inspection. Put in there and put in that it's the ITR that I'm looking for. Click on find, and there indeed is that particular inspection. I can click on view the ITR and it will pull up that detail, which I'm going to do in a second. So I'll zoom into that area there, and I can overlay, change it to the satellite view, and zoom in further. It should show us. Take that off. That's the site. This was the user Dennis. Just coincidentally, if I wanted to see where Dennis has been, just to track him, track on Dennis, it will then highlight the salient points where Dennis has been and the time that are dates that I've selected. So I'm going to go back to that site overview and just show you some more on that detail. Go back into there, put that tag in, find that inspection, and there's that inspection there. View the ITR. There's all the information that's come across from that. That would be the map. Click on the map, it'll go back there. That's what he actually did. Click on that and you can see that's the 3A PT902 that we were having in our inspection. One thing I do want to show you is how the radar system works. So come back over here and go back to that site overview, drop in that tag again so we can find it, find that ITR, and there it is there. We have this radar view, so we can move this radar view around and it will display items that we select in the area of the radar. So I want to show me all the ITRs that are in the radar area, and there they actually are. I can zoom in using this and zoom the map in. Let's pick one of those when it finishes off rendering. It's pulling back all that detail and all the inspection detail. And again, they're all the inspections that's been conducted. Click on any one of them. There's an ITR for a pressure gauge, and again I can go and click this detail, view the ITR, and it goes back and finds all that detail of who did it and the location, and there's actual photograph of the MOV with the digital signature who's conducted it. So I think what you can see from this, that we can find out where the inspections were conducted, where the actual users are, because when you're looking at the green dots, these are actual pulling back the live geolocation. So that's actually that is Dennis. He's actually located there. If I zoom back a little bit, you'll see other users that are also Elijah and William around the system. If they were moving around, you'd actually see them moving around in the map. For the purpose of this demonstration, please do not redistribute this link. It's confidential for internal use. My name is Jeff Morgan, and that's it complete.